Today I am super excited. I'm going to share with you all the sublimation stuff that I got from Temu. Hi, I'm Felicia, and if you're new here, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. We're putting out craft tutorials and craft-related product reviews all the time. Temu is an online marketplace that offers extremely low prices on a wide range of products. They even offer free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. And if you order something and the price drops within 30 days, you can request a partial refund. Download the Temu app through the link in the description box below, then search code DNN5624 while you're in the app and claim a $100 coupon bundle. Here's the package full of sublimation goodies, 17 items in this one bag. Coasters. They have a nice polyester cover on one side and then a nice rubber mat on the other. Sublimation coating spray. This will allow us to sublimate on 100% cotton shirts. These are felt air fresheners. We can sublimate on one or both sides and add a little bit of essential oil to make them smell good and hang them in our car, in our office, in the home, wherever. And these are dog scarves. Take a look. Ooh, they're super soft. And they're in a triangle shape, and we can sublimate on these, put it around the dog. Maybe Emma will wear one. And these are 4x6 metal pitcher blanks, and they come in, let's see if I can open them. They're very sharp on the corners, so they came with these nice safety protectors here, because they are kind of sharp. But you can take these and you can sublimate a picture on them, and then put it in a 4x6 photo frame. And what else? Ooh, magnets, square magnets. And we have circle magnets. Put them on the fridge, put them on a file cabinet, put them anywhere that's magnetic. And we have rectangles. Now these are wine bags. Yeah, little wine bags. And I'm not sure what these are, so let's take a look. These are little canvas totes, great for putting gifts inside, maybe treats for the kids. And, oh, these are those little cases you put on the back of phones. You can sublimate on one side, put your little credit card in there. Baseball caps. And these baseball caps are actually a really nice quality baseball cap. And these are keychains that are bottle openers. Let me sublimate on those. And a suction cup, so for weeding pieces, for weeding HTV or permanent vinyl. And this is interesting. This is a black makeup bag that's supposed to be sublimation material, as well as black totes. So we'll give these a try, see how that works. Never-ending bag. And we have reusable Teflon sheets. I believe there's 2 in this package. And finally, finally, we have standard grip cutting mats that work with the Cricut, or even the Lock will work with these. So let's give them a try out. I started with the wine bags and really like the quality of the canvas and that it's bright white. I got them in a package of 20, which is about $1 each. The canvas isn't too thin or too thick, and they have a nice rope drawstring at the top. These would be a great addition to a bottle of wine you may be giving as a gift for someone's birthday, anniversary, or at the holidays, or just because. How nice would it be to give that someone special a nice bottle of wine in a personalized bag? This cute design sublimated perfectly. These keychains serve 2 purposes: to hold your keys and to open bottles. Imagine being at the lake, hanging with your friends, and being the hero because you've got a bottle opener handy. The sublimation area is pretty small, measuring 1.25 inches wide by 0.75 inches high. I was thinking these would make excellent wedding favors or even corporate gifts and put a company logo on them. Look how nicely that picture sublimated on it. Some people can never have enough magnets for their refrigerator. These come in 3 different shapes: circle, square, or rectangle. And you buy them by the shape and they come in a pack of 6. The price of these is less than $1 each. You can't beat that. The magnet is strong and they stick well in my refrigerator, my Husky workbenches in my craft room, and on my magnetic whiteboard. You could give them as gifts and put photos on them for somebody's fridge, or maybe put an inspirational message on them for an office, or even put them on a calendar for reminders. I love how these turned out. The colors really popped. I've got coasters all around my house. I like to protect my furniture from water stains. These sublimation coasters do the trick. They're the perfect size for almost all cups and glasses, measuring 4 inches in diameter. The rubber backing keeps them from slipping around. I've got them in my family room, bedroom on the nightstands, and in my craft room. It's nice to be able to personalize them for each room. I like to put an inspirational message on them for guests, and you can see how well the colors pop on this butterfly. I honestly don't know which of these products I've done so far that I like the best, but these photo blanks are at the top of my list. These are 4 inches by 6 inches and would look great propped up on an easel by themselves or in a frame of your choosing. They come in a pack of 10 for way less than $1 each. I used a photo taken on a recent cruise and the colors just came to life. I will warn you of 2 things though. One is they come with protectors on the corners because they're a little sharp, so be careful with that. And 2, when you take them off the heat press, they are hot. So be very careful and wear heat-resistant gloves. And have those gloves on as soon as the heating process is complete. Removing the paper while it's hot is much easier than when it cools down. I seriously love how the colors turned out on this photo blank. These phone holders, or wallets as some people like to call them, fit on the back of your phone or phone case. People like to carry their cards in them. I like these because they're made of leather and feel like they would be durable. Who doesn't like a nice smelling car? These are round air fresheners that measure 3.5 inches in diameter, and they come complete with string, and you get them for less than 30 cents each. Now that's a deal. Put a couple drops of your favorite essential oil on them and then use them in your car, home, or office. They're made of a thick material which easily absorbs essential oils. And not only do they absorb oils well, but they sublimate amazingly. I love how these turned out, and I'm thinking about making some in a Christmas theme and putting them on the Christmas tree with a few drops of holiday essential oils. Clever, right? It's nice to have little bags handy for different things, and these drawstring bags are perfect. They measure 9 inches high by 7 inches wide, and they're made of canvas, making them really nice and durable with a rope drawstring. I got these in a pack of 10, which is less than $1 each. I'm thinking these would be great for a classroom, maybe use them as Halloween or Valentine's Day and fill them with treats, or personalize them to wrap a small gift. They sublimate well, and I can see how they can be handy to have around. If you have a pet or know someone who does, these are bandanas for pets. The triangle shape makes them easy to loosely tie around your fluffy. I got a pack of 6, making them less than 50 cents each. These would be cute to give as gifts, and I plan to give them as gifts to friends with pets. In order to sublimate on clothing, the material needs to be high in polyester. The higher the count, the better for sublimation designs. You can sublimate on cotton if you use sublimation coating spray like this. All you have to do is spray some on the area you want to sublimate. I like to put a piece of parchment paper between the front and the back so the ink doesn't go through both layers. And once the spray is dry, press your design. I may need to do more testing with this. I think the design looks a little light. Maybe a little more spray or maybe too much spray. Either way, for $4 you can make a lot of shirts. Faded or not, this onesie is super cute. These white baseball caps are really nice, much nicer than I expected. The material feels really nice, and for just over $2 each, you can't go wrong. Because the fabric is lightweight and breathable, they're perfect for outdoor activities, and they're adjustable. The sublimation design adhered very well, and I'm thinking these would be great for sports teams, charity events, or walking the dog around the neighborhood. Look at all the amazing things I was able to make with the Temu sublimation products. I am really impressed with the quality and selection they have. Everything you need for small or large scale sublimation projects can be found in their app. Be sure to use the link in the description below and search code DNN5624 in the Temu app to claim a $100 coupon bundle. Links to all the products showcased in this video can be found in the description below. Use these links to get more perks. Thanks so much, Temu.
Look at it, hold it up.